A very good morning to all our viewers who are in US and Canada at present. I hope you all are enjoying your morning walk and some of you are enjoying your morning tea. Meanwhile, all the friends who are connected with us from Middle East, a very good afternoon to you and early evening to you. Some might have been taking your lunch and some are enjoying your high tea. Also, some of our friends are already connected from Southeast Asia as well. People from Indonesia are there. I can easily see people from Thailand is there. A very late evening, a good late evening to all of you. Today we are here to talk about Ayurveda for global wellness. As you people are already aware about it, that this is our seventh series we are coming up with, and International Chamber for Service Industry and Namo Gange Trust is continuously trying their level best to create a business platform and a bridge in this pandemic situation across the globe. And we are trying our level best to take our Ayurvedic medicines, Ayurveda industry to the whole world via this platform. So today we have our panelists with us, and again, we are coming up with some new products in the market. And let's proceed further discussing about the same thing. Before going ahead, I just want to brief about International Chamber for Service Industry. It's a basically NRI's business interface, which is already working across the globe. International Chamber for Service Industry has more than 30 million NRIs who are connected with them all across the globe. Their main agenda is to empower the education and transform humanity. And in today's time, they are majorly focusing on health and wellness. Second counterpart is Namo Gange Trust. Namo Gange Trust is a non-profit organization which is basically working on four major segments, that is health and wellness, nature and environment, Kala and Sanskriti, and women empowerment. Namo Gange Trust is the organization who is doing the Yogshala Expo every year in India, which is one of the biggest exhibition on health and wellness. So as we talk about the panelists, today we have the first panelist with us, that is Dr. Narasimha Jammi. Dr. Jammi, after more than 15 years of successful research activity in the United States, he returned to India to take management roles in the diagnostic and biotechnology industry. Dr. Jammi took over the reins of the Jammi Pharmaceuticals in 2011, and since then, has played a pivotal role in changing the existing business model of the company to make forays into new markets through the country. His passion and belief in Ayurveda, combined with his strong technical and commercial knowledge, has made the Jummies a highly sought after brand among Ayurvedic physicians in several parts of the country. He is also keenly involved in the research activities which focus on revealing the mechanism of action of Jammi's highly successful products. A very warm welcome to Dr. Jammi.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Today we have Mr. Sanjeev Dadich, the COO of SPV Laboratories Private Limited, having the name Green Cure Wellness. Mr. Sanjeev has got Lean Six Sigma Black Belt certification and supply chain certification from IIM Calcutta. In 23 years industrial experience of process, automobile and FMCG industries. He is also a co-founder in SPV Laboratories Private Limited, and he is responsible for operations and business development for diagnostic and international market. Thank you so much, Mr. Daji, to join with us and spare the time with us today to make this session more successful and meaningful for the people.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Today, we also have Dr. Vikram Chauhan with us, who is a founder of Planet Ayurveda Private Limited, and he is globally renowned Ayurvedic expert. Planet Ayurveda is a leading manufacturer, trader, and exporter of 100% pure and natural herbal supplements and beauty products throughout the world. He aims at serving people to live a healthier lifestyle by getting their disease treated and receive holistic healing through natural herbs. He has been honored with numerous awards for his work and contribution in the society through Ayurveda. He is not only a well-qualified Ayurvedic doctor who treats diseases, but also a very astonishing speaker who enlightens the path of many people through his immense knowledge and experience in Ayurveda. He is also the author of a great book explaining the basics of Ayurveda in the easiest manner. That is Ayurveda, God's Manual for Healing. Thank you so much, Dr. Vikram Chauhan, to join with us today also in this session.
Thank you very much for the very beautiful introduction.
Thank you so much, Dr. Chauhan. So as we all know, we start with Dr. Jammi. Dr. Jammi, the next voice will be yours. The whole world is yours. The open air is yours. Sky have no limits. I hope you will gonna rock the floor and please give your message, your product knowledge to the people. Next voice is of Dr. Jammi.
Thank you. My name is Dr. Narsimham Jammi, like Anshul had said, and I represent Jammi Pharmaceuticals, which is a 123-year-old Ayurvedic company from Chennai, which is in the southern part of India. And we have been involved in treating a lot of patients. We made our name through liver medicines. Our flagship product is called Jammi's Liver Cure Complex Fort, which is one of the earliest and the most important medicines from our stable of medicines. It has been singularly responsible for getting rid of Indian childhood cirrhosis from the subcontinent of India. This was started in the late 1800s by my great-grandfather, Dr. Jammi Venkatramayya Garu. Now, the most important aspect of our medicines is we don't deviate from the classical way of preparations. All of our products are patented products. And as you all know, presently what we need to do is we need to make sure that wellness is promoted rather than reacting to an illness, as is very obvious from the pandemic situation created from the coronavirus. Reacting to an illness is very, very economically non-viable way of going about doing it. The best way to go about doing is to make sure that we don't fall sick. And to that effect, we have a lot of immunity boosting products. For example, Nutritone is a very important immunity product. Kabasara Kodinir, which is a very classical product which is made into a kada, is something that we use and we have promoted. This is both promoted by the Department of Ayush as well as the government of Tamil Nadu, and it has worked wonders in a lot of patients in Chennai who have been taking this particular kada. Sudarshana Churna capsules, also an excellent remedy for any disease that has fever as a symptom, right? So there are 64 different fevers as per the textbooks of Ayurveda, and any disease that has a fever as a symptom, Sudarshana Churna capsules are excellent. We've also made our name in the gynecological segment, especially in treating PCOD and PCOS and menstrual disturbances, kidney problems, diabetes management, especially in fluid retention. One of our flagship products is called Redima, which has worked really well in terms of the getting rid of all the fluids due to any disease, for example, heart, liver, or kidney disease. There's an accumulation of fluid. If you take the allopathic equivalent, it leads to a lot of potassium depletion, which in turn leads to a lot of weakness in the body. Ours is a purely Ayurvedic product. It's called Redima, and this has really made a huge difference to a lot of people who have had kidney problems. Another important area that we have focused on and which has not really received a lot of importance is asthma. There are a lot of people who have asthma and wheezing problems, and ours is one of the very few products that has Swasananda in it. Our products are called Swascolin, AA caps, and Huko. All of these have Swasananda in it, and a very important component of this is the fact that these have no side effects, and that is a very important aspect of this particular set of respiratory medicines that we have. Another important segment that we have focused on is the male sexual wellness diseases, premature ejaculation, low sperm count, lack of libido. All of these have been done using a classical product that we have, and that is called Vidari Forte, and that's something that has worked very well without any side effects. Again, the key here is to make sure that we enable a lot of these products to reach people without having any side effects that are a big problem with the allopathic counterparts. Now, the immunity boosting segments that we are talking about, Nutritone, Kabasura Kudineer, Sudarshana Churna capsules, Pyral. These are all things that have been well established. They have got a lot of success stories. A lot of people have benefited from the use of those. I will send a typed out message as to what these different products are. In diabetes management, we have something called Madhumehari Churna, which is again a classical product. This has helped in people bringing down the sugar levels by a great extent. Another important but much ignored effect is something called IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. And irritable bowel syndrome is something that a lot of people have been complaining of lately, and this has been treated very well by us with our hepabalin and hepabalin syrup. Fatty liver is a big scourge for a lot of people. Pretty much everybody has been diagnosed with fatty liver nowadays. It's not surprising because of our lifestyle that we lead, because of the problems that we have in terms of lack of exercise, lack of proper eating habits, a lack of making sure no sleep properly. So all of these have led to people having stressed out liver, and that naturally leads to a non-functioning liver. This leads to a fatty liver. And our Jummy's Liver Cure Complex Fort is the oldest liver cure medicine in the country. It was formulated in 1897, and this has been our flagship brand and has helped a lot of people, even people who have had to go to the point of transplantation. We have worked with IIT Delhi, we have worked with Tata Memorial. Both of these institutes have worked closely with us in doing research on how the liver cure works, and we have shown with the collaboration of IIT Delhi that Jummy's Liver Cure works at the level, when it comes to hepatitis B, it works at the level of preventing DNA replication. So we are a very scientific company in terms of making sure that we understand how the medicines work, because we've all had a Western science background, and we have decided to use that in promoting and understanding Ayurveda very well. And a very important aspect that we would like to stress on is the fact that Ayurveda is not some sort of non-scientific aspect. It is extremely scientific. My considered opinion is that modern science has still not caught up enough to understand exactly how Ayurveda works, because modern science likes to work with single molecule formulations, and that's not necessarily the way you would go about in terms of improving your immunity. What is really important is making sure that we understand how a multi polyherbal combinations like most of our Ayurvedic medicines work, and that is something that we are trying to focus on, trying to understand how it works, and we've been fairly successful in understanding the modality of these formulations. An important aspect that I would like to touch upon is the fact that just because people think that Ayurveda, it's a myth that Ayurveda works very slowly. That's not necessarily the case. Ayurveda also can work very rapidly for various diseases. For example, in allopathy, there is a saying, 1 week for a cold without medicine, 7 days with medicine. So basically, there is no cure for a common cold in allopathy. But whereas in Ayurveda, we definitely have cures for common colds that can get into the cold in a matter of 1.5 to 2 days. So it all depends on how we market ourselves and how we promote ourselves. We need to make sure that people understand that Ayurveda has a lot of scientific backing. It has got a lot of scientific rigor and principles, and this is something that we would really like to get people to understand, that just because the marketing force of the other systems of medicine have taken over, it does not mean that Ayurveda is not scientific. It is an extremely scientific system of medicine, and that's what we would like to focus on. Another important aspect that we have focused on is skin care. We don't call them cosmetics because cosmetics is just skin deep, it's just superficial. Our skincare products actually are purely Ayurvedic, in the sense that we don't add any chemicals, synthetic chemicals to them. Whatever we add are purely Ayurvedic herbs and compounds. And what we have shown is that this has been used in our clinics for the last 70 to 80 years. We have our own clinics here in India, and we've shown that these skincare products have worked really well with patients who have psoriasis, eczema, dark circles, pimples, acne, complexion issues, athlete's foot, and also, making sure that for UV protection, sunscreens without using any chemical components. So when we put all of these things put together, Jummies has got an entire range of products, right from migraines. Migraine is a very common problem for a lot of people. People don't understand that migraine is not just a headache. It is because of what we need people to understand is migraine is caused because of a disturbance in the serotonin metabolism, and the serotonin metabolism actually happens in the liver. Now, what you need to really do, apart from giving a problem medicine for setting your headache right, is also need to regulate the function of the liver. And since we have been liver experts, what we really like to tell people is that if you have a migraine, don't just restrict yourself to a Valium or a Compose or a headache medicine. You really need to make sure that your liver function is normalized. And for that, migraines, we have one of the best systems of treatments that's available right now. Other than this, we'd really like to make sure that people understand that allopathy is a reactionary system of medicine, and allopathy is a preventative system of medicine. It's like, going on a date with your girlfriend, and if you are attacked by a bully, if you don't really have bodyguards with you, then you're going to be in trouble. And that's what allopathy is. Allopathy is like is your bodyguard. But if you're an Ayurvedic person, and what Ayurveda does is it makes you strong. It's like you going to the gym, you building your body up, and when you have to deal with bullies, you can take care of it yourself. That's the difference between Ayurveda and allopathy. With this, I'd like to yield the floor to the next member. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Jammi, to educate the people, specifically the youngsters. What you have put up the last point, that people can even use Ayurvedic products as a supplements while using the gym as well. Well, we are getting many questions at present, but the major question which we have got is, one is people wants to know, can you suggest some of the immunity boosters which are easily available across the globe, and better if you can name that one. Secondly, people one question is there from Wales in Europe. They want to know how they can get your products over there in Wales in Europe, and what are the direct board line numbers and how they can connect you. So I'll come back to you again on these questions again after the completion of the session, right?
Sure.
Meanwhile, secondly, I just want to request Mr. Sanjeev ji, please come on board and talk about your products and your availability of products at present in the market. Sanjeev ji, next voice is yours.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Dr. Gulshan Sharma and team Namo Gange for giving us an opportunity to speak about our organization. It is Ayurveda for Global Wellness. I will share you one PPT. I welcome you all into word of Green Cure Wellness. Green Cure Wellness is Delhi-based organization. How did the journey started? Our director's father, who was asthmatic patient from childhood, he was having inhaler on regular basis. He brought some product from Germany, and that particular syrup has given him good relief. He has continued that product for a couple of months. Finally, he got good relief, so he said, let us bring this kind of product for the Indian market. So this is how this result has motivated us to enter into this segment. We have studied for 2.5 months, 5 years. And during this study, we have studied German herbal products, where the emphasis is always given on the efficacy of the product. Same time, they use herbal ingredients, which are highly effective and good efficacy. So this same time, during this journey, we have also seen the world is now inclined towards majorly into herbal product, because as Dr. Jimmy rightly said, that now people want, they go for the preventive. They don't want any side effect. They want natural product which treat them, and all results are better. Same time, they should not get any side effect. So this has made us to think of this line again. We also compared our ancient science of Ayurveda, Indian Ayurveda. Then we have established and tried to build some product which are safe for human being. So we also tried to combine these both sciences of German technology as well as Indian Ayurveda and build some beautiful out of it. We have established a team of scientists in Germany and team of Ayurveda expert in India. Based on the collaboration of these two beautiful words, they have made some good product initially for India, which is based on the great result from the Indian market and response. Now we are also available in few countries. We have signed few agreements with approximately 24 countries. Now, this is how our journey has started for this product. As I rightly mentioned, that now people are looking for the natural product, that too with no side effect. Earlier, the trust on natural product was little less. Then we have adopted some technology and scientific methodology to go with brand grade products, which are as good as allopathic and fast reaction product, good efficacy, same time safe, no side effect. So this is all about our German team as well as Indian Ayurveda. We have our all German products are, even raw material is sourced through the suppliers who are having multiple grade certifications. All active ingredients are imported from European countries, American countries, and Australia. These actives are certified and scientifically proven. Having our, it is procured from the suppliers where they are having the certification like NPA, WHO, GMP, ISO, and kosher. Same time, our formulation, which is again combination of German engineering meets Indian Ayurveda. The Green Cure tagline is German engineering meets Indian Ayurveda. Our formulation are also recognized and rewarded by international and national organizations. Our formulation, our product received certification from Safe Cosmetic Australia. So far, only 80 brands have received this kind of certification, and we are India's first company. We have other international certification of Made Safe, and our one of the flagship product, BronchiCure, for asthmatic patient, that is vegan certified. Similarly, we have also received some national awards. We have received an award from Namo Gange organization, who has organized this event beautifully. And it was awarded for our extensive and outstanding support for Ayush. Now I'll talk about our product, our flagship product, BronchiCure. It is highly effective product for bronchitis, asthma, and dry cough. We have used two active ingredients. This is ivy leaf extract and thyme fluid extract. It is a highly effective and very good result product in terms of respiratory tract solution. Now I'll take you to our derma range, the acne cream. In this, we have used bamboo silk product. Then it is a highly effective and high result product. In derma range, we have another product for scar treatment and other treatment also. Same, I'll take you to our another product that is for pain management. With the pain relieving cream Arnicap, as from the name itself, it is clearly mentioned, it is a combination of arnica extract and capsicum fruit extract. It is having ginger oil also, which gives a warming effect to the muscle. It is a wonderful product for muscle pain relief. After the application, immediately it works. It gives a warming effect which reduces the inflammation. Same time, we have a tagline for this: apply and go start your work. It will not leave any stain on your clothes also. Our another segment of the product is baby care product. In this category, we have baby oil, baby shampoo, baby lotion, and baby diaper rash cream. All formulations are designed for the delicate baby skin. Highly safe product. I'll take you to our new round of our upcoming products. As rightly said, Dr. Jimmy has also mentioned, now we are coming with our immunity booster, one liver syrup also into pipeline, good sleep syrup, then cough and cold syrup, face mask, and hand sanitizers. I'll take you to our team. Very young gentleman, Sanchit Garg, who is masters from IIM Calcutta, is world-renowned organization, high reputation organization of India as well as globally. He is our founder and managing director. Me, Sanjeev Dadij, I am co-founder of this organization. I am also responsible for operations and domestic and international business. We have our star formulator, Dr. Poonam Ashish. She is Ayurveda expert. She is a PhD from India. She got 20 years of experience into field of Ayurveda, especially into manufacturing and formulation. We have Dr. Shahab, who is heading German scientist team. He got he's again PhD and having 30 years plus experience into field of herbal products. He has worked as a product director for many companies in Europe. Now he's with us. He has been awarded from by many organizations. Now, how I'll go to market strategy, how the Green Cure Wellness moved to the export market. We have presence, as I mentioned, we have presence in India as well as in few countries. I'm proudly say that I have participated into Arab Health, which is world's good exhibition for herbal and pharma products. We have participated during January 2020. and based on our USPs, based on our result of our samples, we could sign agreement for 24 countries so far. One bigger distributor, he has signed us for 20 countries, and he has processed for the registrations by his own, which is tentatively worth cost of 50 lakhs as per Indian INR. We have also signed some contract for other countries, that is Palestine, Israel. We have signed an agreement for another distributor for Libya and Tunisia. Our person for distributor for 20 countries, bigger distributor, he has signed us for Middle East, and he has also signed for some South African countries. He has signed for Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Egypt, Sudan, Zambia, Benin, and Ghana, and other South African countries. There are other 37 more people are there into pipeline, which where we are at negotiation stage. Soon we will be into other countries also. But our criteria is to associate with a good organization who can work with us to make Greencore as a global brand. We cannot avoid talking about COVID. Yes, during COVID, I thought some business opportunity from our prospect. Our line of product are OTC pharma product. So in this category, we have less threat of recession. Simultaneously, by the ingredient part, as I mentioned, that we are importing active ingredients from many countries. So we have enough stock to meet the requirement for even bigger requirement as well. This I said that our organization are certified by multiple international organizations. We have Cosmos, ISO, WHO, GMP, kosher, and these are multiple certifications which we have received. Simultaneously, the beauty of which I am mentioning always, the safety of the human being. Now public is again inclined towards safe product and effective product. Our products are free from harmful ingredients, PEG free, paraben free, mineral oil free, EDTA free, fragrance free, PPG free, and paraffin free. Thank you so much. We are open for collaboration. Thank you again from Team Greencore Wellness. Let us join hands for good business. Thank you. Over to Anshul ji.
Thank you so much, Sanjeev ji. Sanjeev ji, I request you to kindly stop sharing the screen.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sanjeev ji, for enlightening us. First of all, we are happy to know that you have incorporated the German engineering with the Indian Ayurveda, as you have told us just now. Moreover, it was a new information that you are sourcing all the major raw material of yours from overseas. Normally, whenever we talk about Ayurveda and other parts, people normally deviate themselves towards India. But it was new to know the same thing. But there is a question from Syria, which is near to South Africa. And there is a lady by the name Kathy. She is asking that your Derma cream can also be used as a sunscreen. It's quite.
We have so far, yes, it is having some of the ingredient which is having sun protection factor also.
Okay. Well,
yes,
in terms of your availability of product is concerned, specifically in the southern part of the Europe, we'll talk about this on the later part, right? Because we have got the question from there. So I just want to switch myself to Dr. Vikram Chauhan, who is a founder of Planet Ayurveda. Sir, I request you to please take a command on the same thing now, and please enlighten the people with reference to your products you have and your services you are catering all over the globe. So next voice is of Dr. Vikram Chauhan. Sir.
Hello, my friends, and thank you, Anshul Agarwal ji, and this very good organization, Namo Gange, for bringing me to this platform. And myself, Dr. Vikram Chauhan, MD in Ayurveda from Punjab. I did my MD in 2000. And while I was doing, I was thinking I should have some products which are not available in the market, because I was seeing the patients also. And my wife is also Ayurveda doctor. My father-in-law also MD Ayurveda doctor. Mother-in-law also Ayurveda doctor. We were all surrounded by Ayurveda doctors. So then I started this mission called Planet Ayurveda. So the plan was to spread the Ayurveda all over the planet. That's why the name Planet, through the net. So I started through the net, and there was a plan, and that's why it was named as Planet Ayurveda, to give the benefit of Ayurveda to all the inhabitants of planet. And I came up with one product. That was my first product, a herbal tea for heart, for blood pressure, for cholesterol. That was Arjun tea. I was doing my thesis on ashwagandha and another herb, and I was using Arjuna a lot in my clinical practice. Nowadays, I am seeing a lot of patients in my factory, also in my factory premises, around 40 to 50 patients. And so all the products which I am using, I'm making them for my patients. I'm making them for myself, for my family, and for my planet. This Arjun tea I gave to Prince Charles of UK. He was astonished. I gave to one buyer in Singapore. His cholesterol was never coming down. His cardiologist was shocked to see the results when he used the Arjun tea. He said, Dr. Vikram, give me more products. You have developed this product. So I developed more products, about 20 capsule-based supplements, which were trendy, like all other supplements, good looking. He said, I need very good packaging. So I developed the products for him, and I launched the brand Planet Ayurveda from Singapore. We did the HSA clearance, Singapore Health Science Authority at that time. And then he guided me that all the products should be free from all chemicals. Even the outer capsule shell should be vegetarian. So I developed according to the international standards. Outer capsule shell was vegetarian. All the extracts insides, they were pure natural extracts, without fillers, without chemicals, without any pesticides. We used to check everything. Now we have a lab, we check everything for heavy metals and for all the other chemicals, for pesticides and microbes. And then he started selling like anything, and he's still selling. I'm talking about year 2001 or 2. From that day onwards till 2020, we are still selling in that country. Slowly, I developed more products. From 20, the factory got bigger and bigger, and we got orders from Europe, from Canada, from USA. We got the company registered with the US FDA for clearance of the shipments. So we were all exporting all the shipments to USA with all the legal documents. We got the NPN for Canada. And then we registered the products in Europe, in Slovakia, in Czech Republic, in Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, and many small countries. Macedonia, we are selling there. And slowly, it went to more than 50 countries. Now we are present in more than 50 countries, good turnover and good sales volume. And people, they give us feedback that the products, they speak for themselves. Now the products are about 450 to 500 approximately. For every single disease, I have 4, 5, 6 products. So that sometimes this works, sometimes that works. So sometimes being a doctor, because I was writing prescriptions, not only single product I was using. So I'm using combinations. Sometimes we need OTC products also. So we launched OTC products also for immunity, like Giloy for immunity. We have Giloy, we have Amla berries, we have Moringa, we have Spirulina, Ashwagandha, Shilajit, all single herb capsules, supplements. Polyherbal capsules are also there. Then as the platform was ready, the products are available in different countries. Then we started sending doctors from India, Ayurveda doctors, to our distributors at my own cost. I am bearing the cost. I'm buying the ticket for Ayurveda doctors. I'm sending to my distributors in different parts of the world. They are seeing the patient, they are helping and guiding the resellers or the distributors and seeing their patients. And we are conducting the seminars over there and guiding them. And then people, they are getting more aware about the products. We have all the certification which are necessary, like this GMP, this HACCP, ISO, Halal, Kosher, Canadian NPN, or the European registration certificates, whatever is required. So we have all the certificates which are necessary for registration in different countries. We are registering in Middle East as well as Africa with NAFDC of Nigeria, Ghana. I made the labels that they should tell the user that whether the herb or the supplement is going to affect Vata, Pitta or Kapha. So on the label itself, I have mentioned Vata, Pitta, Kapha. It increases the Vata, it decreases the Vata, it increases the Kapha. So the user can know from the label which dosha it is affecting. We have different websites at different countries, like Amazon. So we are selling online, we are available online in different countries. More than 50 websites of local domains we have. People can buy online. All the products are available online. PlanetAyurveda.com is the main website where you can see all the products. We have categories of immunity boosting, of weight loss, of joint pains, of cholesterol, arthritis, immune disorders, blood pressure, diabetes, cardiac problem, neuro problem, all such diseases. And all the combinations are prepared on my clinical experience. Whatever patients I see, I develop products accordingly. If I'm getting 50% results, next time I'm coming up with a product which gives 90% results or 100% results. So slowly with the passage of time, now the products are improved and now everybody is coming back. When I give a stress support, we have a product called stress support. Suppose I give stress support capsules to a husband, the wife is happy. If I give to wife, the husband is happy because they feel the difference that my wife is now a different person. She is happier. She is not anxious. She is not running around anymore. Similarly, if I give Amalaki Rasayan or Giloy and allergy care capsule, which has curcumin, tulsi, and such combination inside, extracts of tulsi, curcumin, turmeric, and the children, they are not feeling sick anymore. Recurrent infections, the viral infections, they are gone. I have very good experience with these immunity boosting and anti-allergic combinations and immunity boosters. Especially in the time of this COVID, I was seeing patients online. Myself, I was seeing, I have at my website, you can see, you can take an appointment about 60 days from now, you can get appointment because it is all booked. I have team of doctors which are giving appointments at my website. Now we are planning to make a team of about 1,000 doctors. Right now it is around 100 doctors from India. So I am planning to make a team of 1,000 doctors, which are helping all the visitors, all the queries from the patients, from the visitors, and we are also doing the video consultations, paid video consultation. I'm charging $70 for 10 minutes paid video consultation. Today I canceled about 6 appointments for this webinar, which were all from USA. So basically what I want to say is all the products which we have developed, they are all coming from clinical experience, practical clinical experience. We have treated so many complicated disorders like liver failure, liver disorders. We have liver detox for fatty liver as well as liver cirrhosis. We have Rencure formula, Renplan capsule for liver, for kidney failure. Punarnava for kidney failure, Tribulus for kidney failure. We have Mangista and Radiant Skin Hair Nails capsules for psoriasis, for eczemas. We have certain cholesterol reducing combinations. Arjuna capsules are there. We have total heart support. We have Boswellia curcumin and Joint Aid Plus combination for joint pains, for arthritis. We have Coral Calcium. We have bone support for osteoporosis. We have Allergy Care, Giloy Immune Booster for this COVID symptoms. I have seen COVID patients also during this time, and I have seen wonderful results in these using these combinations. So as Dr. Jammi was saying that it's allopathic is a temporary system, I usually say to my patient that allopathic system is like a support system to the roof. Whenever we are putting a roof, we give in India, we give shuttering. That is called shuttering, temporary arrangement to keep the roof supported. But when we remove the shuttering, the roof is stable. Ayurveda is the roof, which is stable, which is permanent. Allopathic modern drugs, they are temporary. They cause more problems than solving any problem. Ayurveda is balance, to maintain the balance of the 5 elements. We are basically, what Ayurveda says, we are connected with the universe. We are part of the universe. We are made from 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. What we see in the universe, that's what we are. 5 elements plus soul. And those 5 elements we can balance by our diet, by our lifestyle, by our thinking, plus these supplements. If you eat good food, you don't need anything else. If you live a healthy lifestyle, you don't need anything else. But if you have some imbalance, then you can balance it using the herbs, using the supplements. And all the information, whether it increases Vata, Pitta, Kapha, is there on our labels, also at our website. Also, according to the Prakriti, because Ayurveda works according to the Prakriti. Every person has individual different body type, mental type. So one can analyze the Prakriti at my website, and then one can read the labels and then can use whether my Vata is increased, whether my Kapha is increased, whether my Pitta is increased. So we need to see the person face to face, and we can analyze, or if somebody can analyze online and check the constitution and send us details, we have a team of doctors. They can guide the patient or the visitor which herbs to take. So you can see my YouTube channel. My name, you can search over YouTube. You will see a lot of video testimonials, a lot of patients who have recovered, a lot of rewards we have been given by various associations in different countries. And the biggest reward which I feel is when a patient says, I am healed permanently from an incurable disease. That is what I feel, that is the biggest award. And all our distributors or the persons who are selling the herbs, they are selling from their heart, not only for making money. Making money is part of the system, but also to bring awareness about Ayurveda and help the patients. So if anybody is looking to be a Planet Ayurveda distributor, they can go to our website and they can have a look and see the products. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Chauhan, for enlightening us. And we are very glad to know that you have the solution to keep the husband and wife both happy at the same time. It's a very, it's quite a tough combination to get the same thing at a single time. But there are so many questions floating for you specifically at present. I want to take one by one from you only. And there are a series of questions. One question is there from the lady by the name from one Colonel Dr. Bharat Indu Verma. What they are want to know, they are saying modern Ayurvedic medicines don't have formulations as per Atharva Veda. These are effective, no doubt, but are we working towards the quantification of the various clinical parameters of the human body? One.
No.
Second, okay.
No,
Yeah,
we
please,
are not.
please.
I want
Okay.
to add that this person is absolutely right. I believe in the wholeness of the system. I am. That's why I believe in individualized treatment rather than just selling all the supplements. I have put Vata, Pitta, Kapha. So when you take out a picture of water from the sea, the picture is full, but whether will you say the sea is empty? No, the sea is also full, the picture is also full. This is the principle of Ayurveda. Whatever supplements we are making, we are always following the principles of Ayurveda of Vata, Pitta, and Kapha and wholeness. So this is the principle. We believe vitamin A is available in carrot. Now we know, but Ayurveda says there may be thousands of more vitamin A or X, Y, Z. We need those vitamins also. So we believe in taking the carrot as whole. So in all my products and combination, I'm not trying to take out only the active alkaloid, but also trying to keep it as wholesome.
You are absolutely correct, Dr. Vikram. But again, hello.
Yeah.
You are absolutely correct, Dr. Vikram. But again, I'm getting a very direct question from the people that if this is so, then why allopathic doctors are not recognizing these medicines?
There are so many reasons why they are not recognizing, because whenever they get sick from an incurable disease, allopathic doctor, they come to us. They come to me. I have seen so many allopathic doctors, they are getting the treatment. You can see my YouTube video. I have an interview with the allopathic doctor with ulcerative colitis also. Allopathic doctors, they believe in what we see, Pratyaksh Pramanam. But they believe only in one Pramanam. Whatever you see, that you believe in. That science, which is just 200, 300 years old, that also doesn't believe in God. They say what you cannot see, that is not existing, but that doesn't mean it doesn't exist. So you saw vitamin A in the carrot, but you didn't see X, Y, Z vitamin in the carrot until 2020. You may find X, Y, Z in 2025. Then you will believe. So this is their radical theory. This is the reductionist theory of allopathic science. They believe in only those things which they can see. But this is not Ayurveda. Ayurveda is beyond this Pratyaksh Pramanam. There are 12 Pramanam in Ayurveda. We believe in so many things. So allopathic doctors, they believe in only clinical trials. Ayurveda is so ancient. 80% of Ayurveda is gone with the passage of time. Only we are working only with 20%, and now we are improvising on that. So this is the time of Ayurveda. India suffered a lot because of invasions, and now everybody is working. You see, Dr. Narasimha is working, Dr. Sanjeev Dadich is working. Everybody, we are all working now. We are spreading Ayurveda worldwide. That is why Planet Ayurveda, the aim is to spread Ayurveda worldwide.
Great. Well, there is one more direct question from the lady by the name Mohini. She wants to know if somebody wants to do a Panchkarma at home, what is the best way for the same thing?
Panchkarma at home, Snehna Svedana, that is the Purva Karma. Before Panchkarma, there are Panchkarma, Panch means 5. Karma means 5 steps, 5 actions. And before those 5 actions, those main steps of Panchakarma, you do Purva Karma. These are Snehana and Svedana. Snehana means the massage. So you can massage at home without a problem. We used to do, our ancient parents used to do massage at home with sesame oil, with coconut oil, with mustard oil, with any oil. So oil massage, self oil massage, that is Snehana. Or you can do internal Snehana also, Gritapanam. You can drink you can drink oil, you can drink ghee. So that is Snehana. That is first step, Purv step of Panchkarma. Panchkarma is a long topic. How can you can do it at home, but if you know something basic. So Svedana, second is Snehana Svedana. Svedana means sweating. You can do the steam bath. That is sauna or steam bath. Just sweating. You're taking, opening up the pores. This will relax the muscles and take out toxin. Then Vamana. Vamana is inducing the vomiting. That is the first Panchkarma. So you have to do it under the guidance of a Panchkarma specialist. But in foreign countries, only this Snehana, Svedana, Shirodhara, they are not Panchkarma, they are basic karma, just massage and sauna, sweating and sunbathing and this Shirodhara. And this is just, otherwise, real Panchkarma is Vamana. Vamana is vomiting and purgation, that is inducing diarrhea. You cannot do it at home. Mritu Vrajna, we use some herbs like Triphala and Haritaki, but that is Mritu Vrajna. And then Nasya Karma, Shiro Vrajna, and then bloodletting and this Jaloka, putting up leeches on your body. So this is all part of Panchkarma. It's not easy to do at home, but these basic steps which in foreign countries, they do only this Snehana and Svedana, Purva Karma. Just the, and also Basti Karma. All this Panchkarma should be done under the medical supervision, guidance of an Ayurvedic Panchkarma specialist only. Only Snehana, Svedana, Shiro you can do at home. Anu Telam, in Corona time, we have Anu oil. Anu oil is like an internal mask. Before wearing a mask, you put 2 drops of Anu oil, classical Ayurvedic oil we have at our website. If you don't have Anu oil, you can put some sesame oil or some coconut oil. This works like an internal mask. Your mucous membrane protects. And on the eyes also, you can put some oil in the morning. So that also protects the eyelashes from the virus. That is easy method.
Great. Before proceeding further, I just want to recognize that our ICSF president is watching this program from Bangkok. I want to thank you, Mr. Narula, for joining us today for this session. Now, proceeding further on the same thing to Mr. Dadish. Dadish Saab, when we were talking to you with reference to your derma cream, right? People have put up the question from Syria that how they will get this product in the region called Syria. Sanjeev ji, mic is mute.
My contact details are shared. Email is also shared. We'll find some ways to make it available there. They can write it to us.
Great, no issues in that. Proceeding further to Dr. Jami. Dr. Jami, as we discussed that there was a direct question for you with reference to the immunity boosters. People want to know that which is the easiest way for taking the immunity booster, and can you please suggest that what are the easily available immunity boosters are there in across the globe?
Okay, so there are obviously the branded ones that are available, but since it may not be easily available all across the globe, what we say is have a simple khada or a decoction that you can make by boiling commonly available herbs in your kitchen. And most households will have these things in the kitchen. They are dalchini, saunf, jeerakam, that is jeera, dhania, pepper, black pepper, laung, and ginger, and turmeric. Put it all together, grind it together, make it into a khada, and then have it as a decoction every single day, and your immunity is sure to get boosted. But other than this, you have a lot of other immunity boosters which are available. We are working on bringing it across to UK, US. We have collaborators that we we're looking at, and if anybody's interested in being our distributors, we'll be more than happy. Our website is www.jammi.in. You please get in touch with us, and we'll be happy to make sure that we can reach these immunity boosters across to you. But for the time being, use the ones that I mentioned to you in the kitchen. They work really well in boosting your immunity, especially in this time of COVID. You don't have to go and try finding something that's very exotic, which may not really be available.
Dr. Jammi, there is one more query. Somebody is asking that they are suffering from a weak eyesight. Can you please tell us a home remedy with reference to the same thing?
Triphala, you can use Triphala. Triphala is, there's a saying in Ayurveda that says that a real Ayurvedic doctor is one who knows all the uses of Triphala, because Triphala in various ratios. Triphala is Amlaki, Haritaki, Bibitaki. Typically it's in a ratio of 1:1:1. But that ratio, when changed from 1:1:1 to various different ratios, Triphala has got different effects. Triphala, like Dr. Vikram Chauhan had said, is a laxative, but the same Triphala in combination with a different ratio can be used as a aid of making sure that you don't have diarrhea. So it's a very easy, easily available across the globe most of the times. Please start taking 1 teaspoon of Triphala on a regular basis, and you will help with improving your eyesight. But if it's something more serious, I think I suggest you go see a physician, make sure you find out what the problem is.
Dr. Chauhan, there is a question for you directly. There is one lady from Jakarta, and she wants to know that when you will have your next visit to Jakarta, or do you have any counterpart over there? Now people is
As
looking
soon as
forward in
as
Jakarta.
soon as the flights start, we will come. Jakarta, I have made everything easy for everybody all over the planet. If anybody wants any consultation with me or my team of doctors, they can go to the website planetayurveda.com. They can consult with the doctors or with me, and then as they can buy everything online, everything related to Ayurveda. And now we are putting up other company brands also in our section, not only our products, because I am one person and I am one company, and I can make only 500,000 products, not more, maybe 2,000. But there are many more people who are working. So I want to take everybody along with me, because some people are making very nice product, very good products. Everybody is having their own culture and their own knowledge. Like Sanjeev ji has his own experience. We may not be having that. Narsimham ji have a lot of experience, background. So all the products, what I believe is that all of us, we should cooperate with each other and spread this knowledge of India all over the world for the benefit of everybody. So I have made it very easy for everybody. Everything is available at the website, planetayurveda.com. They can get in Indonesia, in Jakarta, anywhere in the villages of Indonesia. No problem. Their home, delivered by DHL.
Great. Sanjeev, there is a query for you from Sri Lanka. People want to know that what type of support they can look forward from Green Cure in case if they are looking forward for the distributorship of your products over there.
First of all, thank
And
you.
this is the and this is the query from the place called Candy over there.
Okay. Thank you so much for your interest. Yes, we are open for Sri Lanka. So far, we have not signed an agreement with anybody there. And yes, my numbers are already flashed. My mail ID is also mentioned. They can leave their contact details here. My office will contact them and will provide them the samples, and further we can lead it further. But one thing I would like to mention to everyone, that yes, Green Cure Wellness, it is the place where you can get European standard product on Indian price. I repeat, European standard product on Indian price. We can provide you the product. Please contact and write us.
Great. So there are so many questions what we are getting again, and the time is too short because we also have the limitation of this session. We can't extend after a certain limit, but definitely we can look forward for some of the great speakers like you again in the same webinar. and in the coming webinar series as well. I personally want to thank all the panelists today, Dr. Vikram Chauhan ji, Mr. Sanjeev Dhatit ji, Dr. Jammi ji, for giving us your valuable time on the behalf of Namo Gange Trust and International Chamber for Service Industry. We are highly thankful to you once again for sparing your valuable time to us. I hope your presence will give importance and the meaningful purpose to the people over the globe. Thank you so much, Dr. Saab. Thank you so much, Sanjeev ji. And thank you so much, Mr. Jammi.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Namo Gange, team Namo Gange, the energetic team.
Thank you. Thank you.